Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architecture Designer. In this tutorial, Photoshop, I will tell you how to use the brush tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now this image I have taken it from Google. Now how to use the brush tool. This red eye tool has been finished. The tool I have told you. Now brush tool. Now when you open the bracket key, it makes the brush size smaller. When you close the bracket key, it makes the size of the brush bigger. Now let me select from the foreground. Let me tell you, now it's foreground color, black color. When I move it, when I rub it, when I brush it, it makes black color. Because I have selected foreground, in foreground I have selected black color before it was selected. Now let me select the purple color in the foreground. This is foreground, this is background. Let me brush it again. Now the foreground which color which I have selected, purple, it gives that color. This was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer.